Hi, everybody. My name is Kristen Hosey, and I am the vaccine coordinator for Chelan-Douglas Health District. For the most part, I just answer a lot of questions about where to get vaccines, and I try to do a lot of work with connecting different providers in our area together to coordinate our efforts to best reach the people in our current phases and categories. I'm part-time in this role. My real main job, that's most of the time, is I am nursing faculty at Wenatchee Valley College, and I also hold an appointment with the University of Washington in the School of Nursing as well as the Department of Global Health. I have a background in population and public health. That's where I received my graduate program and schooling, and also in infectious disease. So that work that I've done internationally kind of pulled me into the role of helping with vaccine coordination in our area. I also try to coordinate with Grant and Okanagan counties, and luckily I've been the last 5 years before I took on this vaccine coordinator role, I was the director of nursing at Wenatchee Valley College. So have a lot of experience working with Okanagan public health. So I just want to share today just a rundown of how to access vaccines by first introducing you to the Chelan-Douglas Health District website, which if you Google CDHD, so that's Chelan-Douglas Health District, it should pop up one of the first Googles that you get to. So the first category here at the very top of the page, oh, this is also in Spanish. So you can click that and it'll pop up in Spanish. The first category here is checking your vaccine eligibility phase on Phase Finder. So I will pop that up, and you guys probably should all be in the correct phase, but you can just click through this to make sure. Maybe you have friends and family that are not sure what their phase is. You can go through here and answer questions. And at the end, it'll tell you if you're eligible or not. If you're not eligible, it'll tell you that you can get contacted to figure out your when your eligibility comes back. So this comes up for vaccines. So this is the Chelan-Douglas Health District website again. If you are currently in phase, we have a mass vaccination site is what it's called at Town Toyota that is facilitated in collaboration with the Department of Health, Confluence, as well as the National Guard. And so this is going to be your best bet for getting in to get an appointment and make an appointment for a COVID vaccine, because they are cranking out about 1,000 vaccinations a day. So it's a very big mass vaccination site. So if you want to make an appointment, you can click directly on our website, find a clinic. I would say you can scroll down, but you might get a little bit confused if you scroll down, because the very first one is in Olympia. So just kind of keep that in mind when you're looking at these different sites, right? So let's just walk through this together. You're looking for a COVID-19 vaccination. I'm assuming we're seniors, but I'm also going to click adults. And our zip code is 98801 for Wenatchee, and then search. And now we start pulling up. Even though I said that, it's still giving me stuff in, I don't know where La Conner is. I don't know where this is. And then there's Olympia and so forth. There we go. Town Toyota Center. And then keep in mind the date. So each day we'll have another set of vaccine appointments. So this is for 3/16, which is tomorrow. I'm recording this on 3/15. Whenever you see that, this is March 15th. So this is Walla Walla is right down the street at the Town Toyota Center in Wenatchee. They're currently offering the Pfizer vaccine, and I anticipate that we will have the Pfizer for some time. And then you can just go in and look at what appointments are available. So 9 o'clock, no appointments, but oh my goodness, there's quite a few appointments during the day. And you can see they kind of run about every 10 minutes for appointments. So please tell your friends there's quite a lot of appointments available at Town Toyota Center tomorrow tomorrow during the day. Once you answer a bunch of questions, they ask about, for instance, let's say I want to go at 3:20, I go to the next page, and then you would put in all of your information. And then once you go, then you go to the next page, and they have a couple more pages asking you some information about your health insurance, some health questions, and consent. So that's kind of the straightforward way of if you want to go online to make an appointment. It was that we were seeing a lot of people interested and having a lot of delays. My cat's walking across the screen. A lot of delays. For folks to get in when we first started providing vaccines at Town Toyota, but that's kind of slowed down. As you can see, you should be able to get in the next day, especially if you're in the current phase. So you can also, if you're having, say you have Wi-Fi issues or technology issues, call these phone numbers here and they can help set you up with an appointment. There's some really good information also on the Chelan-Douglas website. This is Luke Davies, who's the current health administrator here for Chelan-Douglas, has an update here. As you can see here, our numbers have been going down. Last week, our thermographic for March 3rd was at 134 cases over 100,000, and now last week was 117. So we're slowly getting down. The goal is to get to 25 cases per 100,000. So there's also going to be a public health meeting tomorrow, the 15th at 3 p.m. If you are interested in logging in. So this is all available on our Chelan-Douglas Health District website. And I am also available to answer questions, but as I mentioned, my full-time job is teaching. And so the reason I couldn't jump on your meeting tomorrow, which will be today when you view it, is because this is finals week, this is our final week of the quarter. And between the vaccine coordination work and wrapping up the quarter, my schedule this week is a little bit crazy. So I would definitely recommend your first resource being checking out the Chelan-Douglas Health District website anytime. So again, my name is Kristen Hosey. I'm the vaccine coordinator for Chelan-Douglas Health District. I hope to be able to join you guys on your next meeting and answer any questions you have. But if you have trouble getting into signing up for your vaccine, check out those phone numbers on the Chelan-Douglas Health District website. All right, thanks everyone, and have a great day.